In Chinese, proverbs are called 成语. They consist of exactly 4 characters, sometimes followed by a second row of 4 characters. In this video, you are going to learn such a 成语, which you can use in your Chinese conversations. And the English proverb for which you will learn the Chinese is kill 2 birds with 1 stone. In Chinese, we say 一箭双雕. 一 means 1. 箭 means arrow. 双 means double. 雕 is a word for eagle. So together, you are actually saying 1 arrow kills 2 eagles.